The Self-Repairing Cities project is about using robots to repair infrastructure in a city. For example, robots which will go out and fill in a pothole, or they might fly up to a bridge, or we're even looking at robots to go into the pipe networks and check for leaks in there.
Because of the virus outbreak, Self-Repairing Cities has changed direction slightly to address this new challenge. Robots that were autonomously driving around a city, trying to repair roads, trying to repair bridges, are now being retasked to go into transport hubs like airports and city centres and be able to disinfect the spaces to make them safer for people to live and work.
Public areas often need to be disinfected. There's a lot of areas which get touched by a lot of people. So we're using the same robots, the same algorithms and coding that we've been doing, just realigning that for cleaning areas rather than repairing them.
Overall, the aim of robots is to be able to autonomously disinfect public areas without putting more humans into unnecessary risk.
It removes people from harm's way. So we've got a couple of ground-based robots that can map an area, and then they've got tanks of disinfectant and spraying arms so that they can spray onto door handles or benches.
Basically any hotspots for the spread of the disease. We're spraying a diluted mixture of alcohol to kill the virus. We're also working with the Leeds City Council so we can put the robots into the public environment, such as the street side public benches and also areas within a train station.
I'd say we're being proactive and responsive. So we've had this vision of what robots can do in a city, and now we've got a real-world example where we can react to the current world situation with this future technology and tackle the problem.